Came home for lunch, and guess what? It showed up at my door. I'm so excited. It is time to unbox this and do a quick review on it. Welcome back to Cause 3D, and I got my Chewbacca Home Depot animatronic Wookie in today, and we're gonna put it together for you on camera, and then we're gonna give you an honest review at the end. I am super stoked to dive into this, so I'm not gonna waste any time. Let's get going. All right, so there you have it. We now have a Wookie in the shop, and I'm 5'10", so I'm not exactly super short. I'm not super tall, but I'm certainly not 7.5 feet tall like this guy is. So let's talk about a few of the quick particulars of building this thing. When we started building him, we had the base flipped, so there's more room on the front, and that needs to be facing forward. And then everything else, for the most part, once you get going on it, is pretty self-explanatory. The directions are, I'm gonna say, decent. They're not great, but they work. And the directions are also on the box. But for such a small box that this guy came in, I'm pretty impressed with how big he is. And visually, it looks good. I would say from maybe 10 feet away, it looks amazing. When you get up a little closer to it, obviously the haircut, we're gonna have to do some, yeah, laugh it up. We're gonna have to do some styling on him, but overall, this thing's pretty cool for the maybe $375 that it was. And you know, once Christmas hits, it's gonna go way down in the beginning of the next year. So you can get it on clearance, like we did our, one of our Darth Vader, I think, is what we got on clearance at one point from 2 years ago. But anyway, I'm okay with it. It's your typical, you know, it's cheap-ish, but it's not terrible. I'm curious. Oh yeah, the bandolier bolts do come out, so you could 3D print some of those and make those a little better looking. But overall, great. Feet, ridiculous. They're just molded plastic, but that's okay. Well, anyway, guys, thanks for joining us today, and grab one of these from your local Home Depot. They just came out about a week ago, maybe not even that long, and it's okay. I don't know where I'm gonna put this thing yet, since he's 7.5 feet tall, but we'll find a spot for him somewhere. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. You got hair in your mouth, buddy.